Today, I'm going to show you how I'll create this AI influencer completely from scratch. If you don't know this, AI influencers are going to play a huge role in the future of marketing. And today, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI influencer completely from scratch. Everything that you need to know about AI influencers. Now, this is huge, but a lot of people are overlooking this opportunity. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, the first thing you want to do is to have a clear direction where you want your AI influencer to go. Now, if we take this as an example, you can see this AI influencer is a pilot. Now, she's a pilot. She posts most of our contents are pilot related, aviation related, and then a little bit of gym and a little bit of lifestyle. That's what she posts. Now, there are a lot of AI influencers. There are a lot of routes that you can take this. For example, if you go over to someone like Body Bethany, she has almost 800,000 followers. Earlier today, she had less than 789,000 followers, but she has just added about 2,000 followers in less than 24 hours. Now, she posts lifestyle content. That's the only thing she posts, and she has almost gotten up to 1 million followers on Instagram. Now, there's also Omar Wiseman, which posts health, business, and lifestyle luxury content. Now, the actual one of the most popular is Rabbi Goldman, which for some reason, I don't know if his account got taken down, but he had close to 1.5 million followers as at the time of recording this video. So there are different routes that you can take your AI influencer. I just want to get that out of the way. But today I'm going to be showing you the lifestyle, fitness, and the young lady kind of route, which is the easiest one to blow up. Now, this account was created just a month ago, and it has gotten over 161,000. I was literally here when this account had 0 followers. 0. Now, in just 1 month, this account has been able to grow over 160,000 followers. It is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, the first thing you want to do is to get the clear direction of your AI influencer. Maybe you want her to be into health and fitness. Maybe she would be a nurse, maybe a pilot like this, maybe into lifestyle, maybe business, regardless of the niche. Then you want to come over to something like Pinterest, because this is where you're going to be getting inspiration for your characters. Now, the first thing I did was to come over here to Pinterest, and then I looked at images of most of these models here are actually AI generated, so you can just get inspiration from here. So I found this one interesting, so I screenshotted this image, and then the next thing I did was to go over to Gemini Nano Banana. If you don't know Nano Banana, I'm going to be explaining it. So I went over to Nano Banana. So let me just go there. So the first thing I did was to go over to Nano Banana, and then I uploaded the image of the character that I like, and then I said, I want you to give me a prompt to generate a model character like this. The model should be photorealistic with realistic looking skin texture. Do not generate the character, just give me a prompt. Now, Gemini gave me a prompt, and all I did was to copy this prompt and went over to another new tab right here in Gemini to use Nano Banana, and then I pasted the prompt, and then he generated this image of this model for me completely from scratch. Now, I liked the face of the model, but I didn't like the hair, so I asked Gemini to change her hair, and I just stated it here: make her have a very short blonde afro hair. Her hair should be like 1 inch above her head and very short, almost low cut. Now, this is what Gemini generated for me, and now this is the base character for your influencer. Now, you can use any type of character that you want, regardless of the ethnicity. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I just decided to go with this character, and then I went further to ask Gemini to generate the side view of the character, the full body shot, so the Gemini could understand the context of the character. Simple. So Gemini generated the grid for me. You can see the prompts here. If you want all the prompts, I will just comment and I will leave them in the descriptions for you. I'll send them directly to you. So I like this image just generated. Now create a photo grid 4,000 by 4,000 of her that also contains the left and right side view of her face. A full body shot that shows a curvy shape. Now you have to put all the characteristics of your character. Now, whatever her physique looks like, her skin, whatever it is, you have to put it here. And then Gemini generated it for me. And then I asked Gemini to put this gym outfit on her because I want to generate an image of her in the gym, and that's what Gemini did. Now, sometimes you might run into an error where Gemini will generate an image, but the character won't be exactly the same. All you have to do is open a new chat or in here in Gemini, and then upload your reference images, which are this one and also this one. So Gemini would understand at first what your character is, and then you generate your image of wherever you want your character. So that's like almost 50% of the step done for creating your character. Now, most times for your character to gain a lot of traction or for your account to blow up, you need to be posting reels or videos on TikTok. And the easiest way for you to generate videos is from using something like Qwen. Now, Qwen is one of the best video generators that just got released right now. The quality that you get from Qwen is really top notch. The resolution of the video generation is high quality, it's 1080p, full HD. Now, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to play some of the generations that I've gotten with her in this outfit. You can see this is her in the gym. You can see how high quality the video generation is. This is another generation that I generated with her in the gym as well. You can see this is really high quality. And the beautiful thing about using Qwen is it does not add a watermark to your video, which is a huge plus. Now, if you want another video generator, you can use Veo3. Veo3, the downside about it is the video quality is actually okay, but it has a huge watermark at the base of the video. So even if you take out the watermark that comes from your image generations, you're still going to get a huge watermark. Look at some of the generations I got from Veo3, using Veo3 right here in Flow. I'm going to leave all the links of the tools or the platforms in the description. You can see this is a generation, it's a solid generation, but sometimes it messes up the physics. Now, most times it will generate something really perfect, so you don't have to worry. Now, that's about it. You just have to start generating videos and images, and then you're posting your characters in different locations. Now, if you want your character to be making a certain, because for you to blow up on Instagram or TikTok, your character has to be doing things like dancing. If you want to be creating contents like that, you can use one. Right here in one, it takes a whole lot of time for your video to generate, because if you're using it for free, except you're paying for it, which it depends on your budget. If you have a little money to spend, you can pay for one and then you can use it. But if you don't, you have to wait for the queue to generate your video. So it's simple. Once you come over to one here, all you have to do is just upload your the video that you want your character to replicate. You upload a video and then you upload the image of the character, and then you click on generate. You get a few generations daily for you to generate your character in a dancing or modeling kind of video setting. Now, that's about it for creating AI influencers. It's super easy. I just had to run through this because I do not want this tutorial to be too long, so you can understand the entire framework when it comes to creating your AI influencers. It is super easy. You can literally start making a whole lot of money with AI influencers. And I hope this video was informative for you. You can go now and start creating your own AI influencers, and I'll see you in the next video.